It's always about the feeling, always. Every client will come to me, not because the colour of the room or the sofa, it's always because the space is making them feel a certain way. In this course, we will be covering the full design process and all of the stages that my studio follows to create amazing interior design projects. Building a design project is very much like building a home. You have to start with a strong foundation. Everything that is up here gets translated onto the page. Every space has to have a story, and then it becomes real, it becomes personal. So always lead and start with narrative. Here we've pulled some of the materials that we've actually used on this ground floor. This is giving a really lovely balance of pattern, texture, light, shade. This document is called my design intent document, and this is where the creativity really starts. My hope is that during this course, you will learn how a methodical, purpose-driven approach to interior design will actually allow you the space for the all-important element of creativity. Learn purposeful design with me, Alex Dauley.